So in this video I'm going to show you how to enter cash, daily cash takings onto Xero. So first of all we go to the Xero dashboard, we scroll down to find cash account, which is right at the bottom. Then tick the words cash account, which takes you into the the cash account entries, and then we tick new transaction. We change, if you can see there, the default is new spend money. It means you obviously taking money out of cash to spend this, but what we're doing is entering cash received. So change that to new receive money. We then need to put who's it from, so it's actually daily cash takings. This is a new entry, so we'll click new. The date, so if you're doing it each day or every other day, then you would select the relevant date, which would be the previous day. So I'll enter that as an example. The reference isn't applicable, but you can put something in if you wanted. And then here we've got two line items. So if I drop down the box, you've got none, which means you have to preset everything, so you have to fill everything out. Or you've got miscellaneous workwear, which is 0 rated, so pretty much only safety boots. And then you've got everything else, which is miscellaneous shop. So I'm going to do both items here. So I'll add two line items. First of all, we've got safety boots. So it's preset, so description's in there. The quantity, keep it the same. It's always going to be 1, because all you're doing is entering the amount which you're told or is brought up from downstairs. So £50 as an example. And then we need to select also the department, which you've only got 4 departments, so only use these 4, don't ever create any more. So this is clothing. And then we're going to do the next one, which is a drop down box, which is going to be everything else, miscellaneous shop. So we're going to say £200. That will calculate the VAT on the £200 only. Now, to make it slightly easier, what I would suggest doing is, because you're getting the amounts of cash received and not the net amounts, always change this section from tax exclusive to tax inclusive. So what that'll do is, if you're told that £200 being received cash for miscellaneous sales, then that will work the VAT backwards, and that's the correct way to do it. Otherwise you're going to be paying too much VAT. Once you're happy with that, receive money is correct, and so on, you simply press save. Now, that will then enter down here, that'll enter the entry onto the cash account. Don't worry about it being unreconciled, because I'll sort that at the end of the month when we do our final reconciliations. All being well and good, if you were to do your daily bankings every day, you'd have £250 coming in, and you might have the odd bits of fuel, bits of stationery and so on, which will be deducted from that, so you would actually bank £250 or thereabouts. So hopefully that's been clear enough for you, and if you've got any questions, then feel free to ask. Thanks very much.